Hello friends, we will discuss about how to insert table and table property window in this tutorial. Why use tables? Tables help you divide the space on your page. They are similar to tables in Word or Excel but can be used in much more flexible ways. Tables give you the options of making your page a fixed size or making it fit to the user's window the best it can. Tables also guarantee that the location of your text and images does not change when seen on screen with different resolutions or in different web browsers. How to insert table? In the main menu, click Insert and then go to Table. Insert the amount of table, row and columns. Set table width to between 600 and 800 pixels. Set border thickness to have a visible border type in 1 or higher. To have no border type in 0. Shell padding adds room inside of a shell. Enter 0 for no space or number to increase the space. Shell spacing adds space between shells. Enter 0 for no space or number to increase the space. Click OK. Table. Table size row 4, column 6, table width 600 pixels, border thickness 0 pixels, shell padding 0, cell spacing 0. Here we select header none and click on OK. Properties of table. If you click on one of the table borders, you can view your table properties in the properties window. Table property window. Here table ID, row 1, columns 1, width 100, percentage of pixels, height pixels, shell pad, shell space, align default, border 0. Giving detail in table property window. You can give name your table. You can change the number of rows and columns in the table. You can change width and height of the table. You can change the shell pad. This is the number of pixels that come between the border of cells and the content of cells. Change the cell space. This is the number of pixels that come between the borders of each cell. Change the alignment. This is the position of the table on the left or right edge or in the center of the page. Change the border. This is the number of pixels that make up the thickness of cell borders. Once the property table format window. Once the properties of the table have been set, you can also adjust the properties of individual cells within the table by clicking inside the cells. Here format is none. Here text type default font. Size none. Here bold, italic, bottom section. Change the alignment of the content horizontally and vertically. Change the width and height of the cell. Use wrap. Insert header. Insert background image for single cell. Change the background color for single cell. Change the border color for single cell. We can see other things in next tutorial. Thank you.